Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, and first you have to make sure that Valorant is closed. So just keep scrolling down. If you find anything about Vanguard, Riot Games or Valorant, just right click and then click in task. And that's it, just keep scrolling down, or you can search for it here. Scroll down until you find it and end it. And after that, click here and go for services. Now scroll down until you find VGC and wait, and here is it. Right click and then click start. Maybe you'll find it already started, then all you have to do just click restart, right click on it and you will find restart there. And now if your problem still isn't fixed yet, all you have to do is just click here and go for GeForce Experience. And now you have to make sure that your graphics card is updated. So just check for updates, and if you find an update, just click download, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.